In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project timeline dashboard in Notion. A project timeline dashboard in Notion is a dedicated workspace that brings your schedule, tasks, milestones, and deadlines into one clear, chronological view, similar to a Gantt chart. Think of it as your command center. You can see what's happening now, what's coming next, and how everything fits together, all in a format that's easy to scan and even easier to adjust as plans evolve. At the heart of this dashboard is the timeline view. Each task appears as a horizontal bar, with the left edge marking the start date and the right edge marking the end date. You can change the scale to match your planning horizon, zoom into days for detailed execution, switch to weeks for sprint planning, or pull back to quarters and years for roadmap reviews. This flexibility helps you move effortlessly from granular action to big picture strategy. Because it's a dashboard, it centralizes information. Your task lists, priorities, and key resources live in one place, which reduces context switching and keeps everyone aligned. Whether you're managing a small deliverable or a multi-team initiative, the dashboard acts as your shared source of truth. Customization is a major strength here. You can add multiple views, like a table for data-rich editing or a board for status-based organization, without duplicating your work. Filters and sorts let you spotlight what matters, and grouping by status or other properties makes patterns and bottlenecks obvious at a glance. Save these views so different audiences can get exactly the perspective they need. Adjusting the plan is straightforward with drag-and-drop functionality. If a task needs to start earlier, extend longer, or shift to next week, just drag the bar. You can also reorder priorities the same way, making it quick to respond to shifting requirements without losing clarity. Dependencies are easy to map by linking tasks that rely on each other. When a predecessor changes dates, the dependent task automatically updates, helping you prevent scheduling conflicts and identify the critical path. This is especially useful for complex projects where one delay can cascade into others. Progress tracking is built in. You can view status and degree of completion right on the timeline, making it simple to monitor momentum and spot items that need attention. Finally, every timeline item is a full Notion page. Open it to add detailed notes, sub-items, and reference materials. This keeps execution details connected to the schedule, so context is never more than a click away. By combining visualization, structure, and flexibility, your Notion timeline dashboard becomes an indispensable tool for planning, tracking, and delivering work with confidence.